Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make your iPhone alarm clock louder. Don't forget, friends, to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to put your likes to this video and please write your comments. So let's go ahead and get down to our topic with you friends. First of all, you will need to on your phone find and open the Watch app. After that, please find the alarm clock section at the bottom and navigate to your alarm clock that you are going to customize. And if you don't already have an alarm clock here customized, just tap on the plus sign at the top. Next, friends, you'll need to click on the sound section when you've already fully customized your alarm clock. And see if, let's say, some of the sounds seem quiet to you. The first thing you can do is swipe from the right side, top to bottom, and just pull that sound lever right there. See now, when you press it, as you can hear, the sound is much louder. So you'll just have to turn the sound up to maximum to hear the full power, so to speak, of the alarm clock sound. If unfortunately that didn't help you and it still seems quiet to you, then I suggest you scroll down to the bottom and select the classic section and choose the louder sounds. They are actually really loud, so you, friends, can pick up to yourself and feel the difference between the classic and the alarm sounds that the iPhone presents. And then, folks, when you choose a sound, just go back and it will be saved in your alarm settings. Dear friends, I really hope this video helped you. You were able to see how to make your iPhone's alarm clock louder. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write comments. Bye everyone.